Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to make an awesome cardboard car racing game at home using simple materials. This DIY project is super fun, creative, and perfect for kids and school activities. So, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the template and frame. First, download and print the template from the link in the description. Then, glue the two templates together just like you see in the video. Now, take a strong piece of cardboard according to the required measurements. Follow the steps carefully and build the main game frame. Make sure everything is aligned properly. This will help the game rotate smoothly later. Step 2. Build the rotating system. Now, grab a bamboo stick. Insert 3 round cardboard pieces with a 1.5 centimeter radius onto the bamboo stick. Make another set the same way. Next, create 2 holes on both sides of the frame and insert the bamboo stick through them. Place the printed road template onto the bamboo stick as shown. Complete the frame by adding the remaining cardboard pieces. To keep everything stable, lock the bamboo stick from outside using small cardboard pieces. Now, insert 2 pieces of GI wire into the frame. This will help control the movement. Step 3. Create the moving car mechanism. Cut another round cardboard piece with a 2.5 centimeter radius and insert it into the bamboo stick and position it at the front of the frame. Now, take a piece of yarn. Attach one end to the GI wire and wrap it around the round cardboard piece. Print and cut out a small car image. Glue it onto the yarn. When you rotate the round cardboard piece, the car starts moving along the road. Attach the top part of the frame. Make a handle using popsicle sticks. You can also use cardboard if you like. Now, rotate the handle and watch the road spin inside the frame like a real racing track. Finally, design and make a brake using cardboard. Glue the brake design neatly onto the frame. Your cardboard car racing game is ready. This project is not only fun to play, but also helps improve creativity and mechanical understanding. If you enjoyed this awesome DIY project, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.